And nowadays, because of the pandemic, all the economic activities has been interrupted for a short period, and that's why we gave importance for all kind of fairs and trades. And CPM is one of the most important one among these fairs, because Russia is a big partner for us in economy and trade, and also Russia is a big market for the Turkish producers and the exporters. And CPM is one of the best fairs that we participate in Russia. The place is wonderful. The followers of the fair is always have big potentials, and our producers like to participate in this place because they can find all kind of, they can share their products with all kind of markets and the buyers, and we believe that in the coming future there will be more companies from the Turkish side to participate here. We believe that there should be some improvements also made between the organizers of the CPM and the Turkish companies, and especially ITKIP, because they have very good ideas how to improve and how to increase the participants from the Turkish side. And we believe that we will continue our partnership with the CPM in the future too. As I told at the beginning, because of the pandemic, there is an interruption in the fairs. So the buyers are hungry and the exporters are hungry to meet with their customers and to meet their new buyers. That's why this was a good advantage. And when I visited all the companies, they were very happy of the participants and the potential buyers, because there is a big interest and big participation from the Russian customers. That's why they were happy. They were happy after a long period of closing from both countries, but they say that the interest is very high. The Turkish exporters are very much happy to be here because they have new production during this pandemic things, and they have new designs, they have new goods. That's why they are ready to present it to the Russian customers, and we know that the Russian customers have good taste and good taste for value. That's why I think it's an important market, and we are happy to be here in CPM.